How to do laundry correctly. Step 1. Load clothes in the washer, making sure there is at least 5 inches between the top of the machine and your clothes. Overloading can lead to an extra long cycle, or in other words, take all day. Or worse, it could lead to a flood, which would be just a flat-out failure. Step 2. In order to clean your load sufficiently, place 1/8 of a cup of detergent into the labelled tray, or 1 soap pod into the machine with your clothes. Then start the washer. Putting more soap than needed into the washer will lead to soap suds flying out of the machine like a bubble bath gone wrong. Step 3. Unload the washer and leave the door slightly open, so that the machine can dry and not stink like a wet dog. Step 4. Load the dryer. 1 wash load is 1 dryer load. Make sure the lint tray is clean to ensure a fast dry, and start the dryer. Overloading the dryer will result in wet laundry, which will require you to dry your clothes over and over and over. Also, leave rubber and plastic out of the dryer. 5. Get your dry, clean clothes and live your life.